Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Sahara binti Aziz. This video will show about our data mining project. Our objective is to observe the smoking trend and pattern among youth in Malaysia 2009. Based on this, we come up based on the objective. This is our data, and this is in Excel form. So based on the data, we come up with the question. Okay, we come up with 5 questions. So our question is what type of smoker are you? What is the reason you start smoking? How do you feel when you smoke? How does your environment and surrounding affects your smoking habits? How does smoking affects your health? So our data mining techniques that we use is insert data, we replace missing value, we generate attribute, we select attributes, we rename the class, we set role and validation where we apply model performance and we create a decision tree. So I will demo how we do the data mining techniques. First, I will add data. So this is our data. Okay, so this is our data that we include, and we click next, and I will change certain attribute into polynomial because if we use integer, we cannot run data mining, some of the data mining techniques. So I will change this. We are 49. Because we will use this data. Okay, after we change the data type, we hit next and finish. Okay, so this is our data that we choose. Okay, this is our data. Sorry, this is not. So we have a lot of missing value. So I will go to design, and I will add the data that we want to create the mining techniques, and I want to replace missing value. I will use this one and connect it. After that, I want to change all into 0 value into value. Our value that I want is a 0, and then I will run and I will check. So all the missing value will become a 0, and now the minimum is a 0, and that's all from me. I will pass this video to my friends for the next data mining techniques. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indah Arifah Putri binti Arsman, and I will continue with the next data mining techniques. So, we will generate attributes from the data. Okay. select general attribute and drag it over here, and then see if it is connected, and then click here and then click edit list. Okay, this will create a new column for the data. So we name the column try smoking. Okay, and then click the function expressions. Okay, for the expression we will use logical expression, and then click if condition, and then for the inputs we will use regular attributes, and then select the column that we want to create, which is from the column CR1. Okay, column CR1 from our data is have you ever tried or experiment with cigarette smoking? So value 1 is yes and value 2 is no. So if CR1 equals to 1, then the table will be yes column, and if not, the column will be no. And then we click apply. Okay, and then we click apply, and then we run. So as we can see, there will be new column which is try smoking with no and yes value. And then we continue with the next data mining technique. We want to select attribute and select the column that we want to use for this project. So search select attribute, and then drag it over here, see if it is connected. Okay, and then click, and then attribute filter type we will choose subset, and then we will select attributes. Okay, we will select the attributes that we want to use for our data mining project, which is CR20, CR24, CR3, CR30, CR49, and also the last one is the new table that we just, the new column that we just created. Okay, so this is all the column that we want to use, and then we click apply, and then run. Okay, so it will show us only the table that we want for our data mining. So that's all. I will pass to my friend for the next data mining technique.
Yeah, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sharfa. Okay, next process I want to change all the attributes to the related name. So search rename. Then rename. Get to the process name. Or name CR3 to type of smoker. Next, I want to change all, so click edit list, CR20 filling, add entry, CR24 head,
Add more. CR30 to environment. Next, and the last one, CR49, factor of smoke. So apply.
that's it, that's one. Okay, already can the attribute. Next, let's proceed to the next process. I want to change try smoking to set roll. Okay. Set roll. So try smoking, achieve witness, try target roll, label. So let's check, run. Okay, try smoking already change set as the role. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nuwaila. Okay, we move on to the next technique, which is we use the validation. Okay, here we search split and we drag the split validation here and make sure the connection is okay. Oh, this one is not okay. Okay, here. Okay, in the validation we use the decision tree and search first and drag it here and make sure it connect. Alright, in the decision tree we use the information gains and apply the pruning, and we change the confidence to 0.5, and also the minimal gain we change to the 0.05. Alright. Okay, next, this is our result of decision tree where we choose CR3 as a node root and we rename it as a type of smoker. So under the type of smoker, basically we have health and the child is factor of smoking, feeling and environment. Alright, okay. So basically this is the result of our decision tree. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Wanura Aisyah. So I will proceed with the apply model and performance. So I will search at in the operators apply model techniques. I will connect the mode and test node. And next I will search for performance. And I will choose the performance for classification and make sure we check the accuracy box and the main criterion is first. So let's run the data set. So this is the accuracy table for the accuracy model for the data set. So this is for the vertical view is the actual and the horizontal view is for the prediction. As we can see, the overall accuracy is 88.4%. For the precision, the first row is 86.77. As we can see, the error is 104. And for the prediction, the error is 11. The second row, while for the actual, the first column the error is 11 and the second column is 104. Therefore, the accuracy for the actual for the first column is 98.4%, as the error is very low, and the second, the error and the accuracy is almost the same, so the accuracy is only 65.1%. So let's proceed to the CRIPS DM model. What is CRIPS DM? So CRIPS DM is the provided structured approach in data mining project. So we have 6 steps overall. So let's proceed to the business understanding, where we have to understand the problem to be solved. The problem is the 5 questions that we point out at the beginning of the project, and we have set the objective for the dataset. So we have to figure out the business practice and what are we going to do with the data set. So for the data understanding, the second step, we have to understand the weakness and the strength of the data. So we have determine the weakness and the strength of the data in order for us to apply techniques and to find to produce a good result. So the data, and we have two questions at this stage: does the data solve our problem? And for the next stage, third stage is data preparation. We didn't do any conversion of data because the data is already in the form that we want. What we do is only we remove or replace the missing values with the right values, so that the data has no there has no noisy data. And for the modeling, we select the data that we want to use. The 5 data that we want to use. We clean the data by removing the missing values. We construct and integrate all the data that we want to use for the mining process. The next process is evaluation, where we do evaluation before the deployment because it is safer. Because in this stage we can question, does the data satisfy our original business goal? So we evaluate back, we go back to the business and data understanding, does the data satisfy our business goal? And yes, our data has satisfied our business goal, where we can see the pattern and trend in the smoking habit among youth. And as the last stage is the deployment, where we put the data into real use for business, where we can explain to our user the result and the review from the data that we get at the end of the data mining process. So that's all from me. Thank you.